Your boy got another project on his hands. Well, it ain't mine, but we're gonna have some fun with it anyway. Haha. I know it's dark in here, but I went and I got a stand-up light. One of my tenants left because they bought a house, so now I have an extra spot to put a car. Now this here is a customer's car with some clutch fork issues, so I have to now remove the engine, fix the broken pieces, and then put it back together, and then that's that. So the goal is to get that done within 5-6 hours, depending on how much drilling and stuff I have to do, and tapping, because I do have to do that stuff. But I'll bring you guys along for the journey. This is my man's Aaron's car. It's a nice looking 08. He had modified a bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my phone stand so I can prop the phone up and take you guys along for the journey. Stay tuned, right back. So there is Elmo. Say hi, Elmo. Yeah, he wags his tail, so that's a hi. Alright, so we are going to get right into this guy. That should be a good angle right there. So, what I will be doing today is basically taking this girl apart, but not the whole engine. I'm just taking out, I'll try and keep everything together as possible, and I'll take out everything else. So the engine will come out as one piece, and then I will bring the all the tools I need to redo the shit. You know what? I'll take it apart and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, first things first, I need to get the coolant out of this baby. and gentlemen, engine is out. Let's take this off and inspect the damage. Oh boy, would you look at that. So apparently that little ball that you see right there usually screws into here, and as you can see, that is no longer there. So I am going to have to drill that out. I have a reverse bit. I'm going to heat up the aluminum around it, drill a hole right down the center, put a bit on it, and hopefully it comes out. But if it doesn't come out, I have to drill it, retap it to fit the new pivot bolt on, and should be all set and ready to go. Alright, let's get this going. So, my battery from my phone died, so I didn't get to film. I didn't even know the battery died. I thought it was recording. But anyway, this is my helicoil kit. So what I did was, let's see if I can get some light here. So what I did was I drilled out the original, the broke off stud that was in there, and I retapped it, and then installed my helicoil with my tool. That's seen better days, but it did the job. So this is the piece now that's going in. Haven't even checked it yet, but you guys are going to be a witness to it just as I am. Would you look at that? Perfect. Now I'm going to clean up everything, clean up all the shavings, put the clutch fork back in, and that'll be it. Anyway, time to put the engine back together after cleaning up all the shavings and stuff. So from my understanding, this is a what do you call it? Clutch sleeve bracket. No, clutch reservoir. Cylinder reservoir. You get it. The clutch master reservoirs. I'm so hungry and tired I can't even talk. But anyway, this here is a clutch master bracket. Clutch master bracket reservoir. Anyway, you get it. So this would, I've never installed one of these before, so I have to go based on my mechanical brain. I assume that it would go, this is the only logical way that I feel that would fit. You know what, let me just put a camera down, time lapse, and see how and where this thing go. And then when I'm done, I will bring you guys to the finished product and explain to you how I did it. So this is the other set of bolts. So I'm assuming that one is for a brace, I guess. And I probably have to take out this bolt here for the wishbone pitch stop mount, and possibly run it, but yeah, well, I'll put it in and see what she looks like. after a couple hours, engine came out. Now she's back in. And my man here is gonna leave in here very happy.
Yes, sir.
The goal was to get this thing done because I leave here on Thursday, which is in 2 days, and I wanted him to have his car back. So we have it back, and off he goes. Just gonna have him drive around the block, make sure everything checks out, and after that, that's it for that. Anyway, keep you guys posted. But for now, that's it. Peace. All right.
All right.
Start her up and close the hood. She's much jumpier now.
I know. But feels different.
Really?
A little bit, yeah. In a good way.
Good, good, good. I saw you're gonna freaking leap forward, but yeah, she's good. Sounds good.
Looks good, sounds good. Don't want to wake the neighborhood. I was trying not to ram the piss out of her, so.
Nice. All the neighbors here familiar with me.
Oh, I bet.
If anyone can take assassin, they can take this.
That's true, man. I can hear you when you're coming through town from my place most of the time.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Where are you? Oh,
Just
down
from
here.
your old house.
Oh, you live. Wait, where was the car park then? Oh, what by the rail track? By the.
Oh, that was my brother's place.
Oh.
Yeah, when I was out of town. Moved back with the parents for now, you know.
Okay. Yep. Alright, man. Well, I'll message you later on, but
Okay.
keep me posted.
Yes. I will give you a shot to square up too, you know.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'll set you up. I'll set you up really good.
Okay. Appreciate it, my guy.
You drive safe
Thank you so much again.
and keep me updated.
Yes, of course. Well,
Let
I will talk to you
me
before
know when
travel to
you let me know when you get home.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Hey, man. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Good night.
You too, bud. Yeah. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Peace out.